Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
on this program tomorrow. So, this is an emergency broadcast that requires a very urgent attention. I want you to pay attention very, very attentively. We are aware that a lot of Biafrans are canceling their subscription to the website because of the development from yesterday broadcast. Because of the things we have reviewed. I want to announce to entire Biafrans today that you can go ahead and make your donation to the website. If you notice, for the past few days or a week, I have not played the jingle that say go to www.ipobintheusa.org to make your donations there. You know, if you are very observant, you will know that I have not been playing it for a few days or maybe a week now. A lot of you are asking questions immediately after yesterday broadcast. You started asking about Accout. You started asking about Umeri account. You started asking about Madam Oyibo. A lot of questions were being asked. This evening, I will inform you that the website is intact and secured. The IPOB website is secured and in a safe hand. You can go ahead. If you have canceled your subscription, that website, you have to go ahead and resubscribe to that website. It is now secured and in a safe hand. Very important. Our Eastern Security Network must be funded for the security of life and property of our women and children and of our farms and our villages. So if you have, because of yesterday's program, withdraw your subscription from that website, I am announcing it to you now that the account of that website is now secured. You can go ahead and do what you have been doing before without any fear. You know, I told you people that this Biafra struggle, nobody will betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Number one, nobody will betray Biafra. I want to also announce it this evening that account is secured, especially the website. So in a matter of days to come, we are going to come here also for more specific clarification and more question and more answer. In case for those who have questions. But for just benefit of doubt and for the sake of our Eastern Security Network, I have just come to inform you that the website is now secured. That is the reason why I am playing this jingle again. And like you all know, because of the part some people have taken. Madam Oyibo is no longer in charge of the website. And this particular announcement has become necessary because of the people that were withdrawing from the website because of yesterday's announcement. Madam Oyibo is not in charge of the website. We will sort out whatever that is needed to be sorted out for the Biafra people, and Umada will continue from there. I want to assure Biafrans that, because after this whole thing, a lot of things were happening and all that. What I want to assure to Biafrans, and of course, the promise I promise our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is that I will be the last person to betray him. That is my number one promise. Number two, I will never betray Biafra. And anybody so far that have worked against Biafra, God will kick you out of the way. So by every inactions, Madam Oyibo is no longer in charge of the website. And in few days to come, Umada will be here to make some pronouncement in support of this. And this have become necessary. So if you know that you have canceled your subscription on that website, you go back and put it back there. And then you will be contacted as well for some of you who may be having some things in your mind to ask. We are going to have question and answer where this whole thing will be addressed. But I want to tell you that Biafra is more than a spirit. And once you are at the right path, the Biafra spirit will lead you. And this whole thing, everything we are doing is on record. Like I told Biafrans yesterday, that once it's going to come out, everybody will give account of what they have done. How you have been able to manage the task that was given to you. Whether you have actually sabotaged the struggle or not. Whether you try to preserve the legacy or not. I want to make it very clear today for those who it is not the time for gossip. I don't have time for that. I don't have time for gossip. But there is a need for me to address one issue. A lot of people, for those who don't have anything to do on social media, a lot of them are saying that Simon Ekpa was part of Idu. I watch them and I laugh. Simon Ekpa was part of Idu. He's part of everything. I looked at them and laughed. Because what you don't know is bigger than you. These are inconsequential people. But because of some people, I will make it very clear. I have never been part of Idu. I did not know when Idu was pronounced in any program in the first place. I have never ever been part of anybody or any group where people were discussing we are going to start saying Idu. I have never, and this will be the last time I'm going to address this. I have never participated in any meeting with anybody where somebody say we are going to start saying Idu before they came to the public. I was having a program like this one fateful day, and I begin to see people making comment here. Idu. I was like, where is the Idu coming from? And of course, you all will never believe that. But this is a fact. And I was reading a comment where people have come here to attack me about Idu. I don't know anything about it. And until many days, many weeks before I knew that Nelly Ofebu has gone somewhere in their program to announce Idu. And let me also tell you that I never watched a video where they say Nelly Ofebu say Biafra is a scam, Biafra is dead and all that. I have never seen that video. But when I said it here, people, some of this inconsequential being say, how can you be, why are you not watching the video of the people that you are working with? I didn't see them. And let me tell you, I have no reason to lie. I don't have any reason to lie. And I don't have any reason to deny if I had knowledge about it. That is nothing you can do me. That is true. But I was never part of it. And when this whole thing was going on, I never knew. It is always on my program here. People will come to attack me before I know what happened. So, and the way they say, if anybody have any voice recording anywhere where Simon Ekpa was discussing with somebody about Idu before it was announced, let the person come forward. When the issue of Idu, I made a comment. I said, I don't have problem if people come to be preaching Idu. I never have problem with that. I appeared on their radio when they were launching the radio of Idu, which is as a civilized man, I can appear anywhere. I can even appear on radio of Fulani. It does not make me a Fulani supporter. I appeared on the Idu radio as part of the game. Does not mean that I was part of Idu or I supported Idu. My own is that so long as you are not against Biafra and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I will work with you. I will work with anybody until everything begins to get more clearer. So the declaration of Idu was a direct attack on Biafra and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It didn't only end there. There has been a statement like Biafra is a fraud, Biafra is dead, and scam. And so I have never been part of anything fronting Idu. And I challenge them. If anybody have any voice recording or anything at all that shows that I participated in Idu, apart from what you see me doing on my program, apart from what you see me commenting or hear me commenting on my program, let the person bring it, including from the people, the double agent, because it doesn't exist. My own is that when I want to, I said anybody that is going to betray Biafra and you want to, and I about your target, I will be your last boss. Isn't it? People will never learn. You want to destroy Biafra and you go free. No. Spirit will always be there to fight. It is not my battle. Now, something is happening today in Biafra land. I want to condemn the killing in Biafra land, like I've always done.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.